Alright guys, so I am actually wearing my Longqi Brazilian wavy, and I'm actually waving it up. You guys saw in the video day before yesterday is the same hair I'm wearing. So I'm using my curling wand from Vanity Planet. And every single time I can link this curling wand in the description bar below. I can't find the email with my codes and stuff. So my bad. But I guess any curling wand will do. And guys, guess what foundation I'm wearing? Y'all know I'm wearing my Juvia's Place. Look at what I'm doing with the hairspray. I'm spraying the hairspray too close to the hair, so it ended up leaving some white spots. Look at that. Gorgeous, honey. Some white spots in the hair, but I fixed it. I mended it. I did what it made it do, honey. So yeah. So this is actually their Brazilian wavy, and I'm just curling it up. The video I saw before this one, that was it in its natural state. So for this wig in particular, I did it in three different stages. I did it in its natural state, waved up state, and straight. So I gave you guys a little bit of versatility there when it comes to Longqi and their wigs. As with any hair, you guys, they're extremely versatile. Well, wavy hair and straight hair is hella versatile. You can do anything with it. With the the deep wave and like the kinky curlies, those ones take a bit more finessing for it to be as versatile. You know what I mean? But yeah, so this is their 22 inches Brazilian wavy. It's a wig, a lace frontal wig. It's not entirely lace. It has I think 5 combs, and also like the bra strap hook thing. It has that as well at the back. So this is basically what I'm doing, y'all. Just winding up my hair. Let's just comb this out. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Wow. You guys, this is gorgeous. This is nice. Wow, nice and wavy. This is so nice. This is so Longqi is making me fall into wavy. Yes, please, Baba.
Can I wash the hair
Huh?
No, can I wash hair on this?
Why? This is from LONGQI HAIR, 22 inches, Brazilian wavy. And in the initial video, I just took it out of the pack, threw it on. Yes? Okay, so LONGQI HAIR, Brazilian wavy, and you guys just saw, curled it up, and I used my Got To Be free spray. This one here, Got To Be Glued blasting free spray, as like a holder or whatever to keep it in place before I combed it out. And I love this wave. It's nice, it's cool, and I have it done to the side, honey. Okay, so you guys saw the title, and I am actually going to jump right into it. So me and this person, we've been doing business now. I'm scrolling all the way up so you guys can see that we have been doing business now for she has always bought my wigs, right? And I remember our first transaction, she was like she was gonna send some extra money for Jonathan, to buy ice cream for him. And I was like, okay, cool. Like, I'm used to that because people really love Jonathan. You guys really love Jonathan. So from the 10th of February, she messaged, I posted that this hair, posted about this. It was this one. So that one, Zine. So she messaged me and said, been watching you since bunk bed days. Congratulations, mama. Praying for safe, healthy journey. Then she messaged me when I posted about another unit. She said, is this unit gonna be for sale? If so, I'm interested. So I told her, and she was like, okay, that was the 21st of February. I don't know how to post it in without like her name coming up or whatever, but basically she's been purchasing. I've even shared, and this was stupid on my part, I've even shared whenever I had like wigs going, I told her first, because I know that she's always buying. She was like one of those, like, you can call them like VIP clients or whatever, but I always told her first whenever I had something that I was about to sell or going on sale or whatever. And she comment. So I told her I was online on this luxury site, and I was just looking. She's like, oh, what you looking for? And I was like, oh, I'm looking for this. She's like, don't worry about it, I'll get it for you. And I'm like, you need to understand, that's not weird for me. it's not weird for me at all. But I'm like, and then because we've been talking to, it just it didn't feel like I was encroaching. Right, I didn't feel like I was encroaching on her or like making her uncomfortable, because I tell you, like, well, I reason every now and again, but one red flag came up, and I guess it didn't matter now. I'm sorry I'm boring you guys with the details. Whenever she would say that she would send the money for the wigs, it was always delayed. For me, that was a red flag. Was like, I'm cool, she's always purchasing, she always pays, even if it's days later or the following week, she always pays. Fine. No, she oh gosh, let me just real quick, oh god, I don't want to show her name, but I really want to show you guys, like, oh my gosh, I saw even, oh my gosh, I even sent her a free fitness belt, you guys. Like, we had gotten to the point where it's just, I just said did they, you know. So sold her some wigs. It was $600, $600 and something. Gave her a discount off the wigs, and then gave her free complimentary 2 to 3 day shipping. That's the most expensive shipping that my post office offers, and because she always shops from me, she got them, you know. I just gave it to her complimentary. Even another one, Lady Lee, too, on my Instagram. Like, when I see Lady Lee, I'm like, bro, free shipping, it's chill. You're helping me out, let me just help you out, boo. She said that she was going to pay within the week, the following day or something. So I was like, no worries, I sent the hair, you're good to go. I even sent the free fitness belt as well. I have her address. I have 2 addresses for her, as a matter of fact. And nothing was happening with the payment. This was probably 2 months ago, and I would have to be the one calling her, asking her what's going on. And then she would give me, she's like, call me back, I'm cooking, call me back, I'm driving, call me back, I'm doing this. And every time I do that, I'm just getting to run around. And then my heart starts to beat really fast, like, yo, she scammed me. Up to this day that I'm doing this video, this is the 5th of June. The 5th of June. I have not received payment from her whatsoever. The last time I contacted her, let me come out and then go, oh shoot. Okay, the last time I contacted her was the 11th of May, and I said, did you send it? So she said that she was send it via Western Union a long time ago. See, I even showed, okay, let me hide her name up here. So I even showed her like Pomi and stuff, you know. Like, I did that because, you know, I was like, yo, this, I don't know, I'm stupid. So she had deactivated her Instagram. I didn't know, I thought I was blocked, and I messaged her. I was like, yo, you blocked my Instagram, it's cool, whatever, I just want to know what's going on. And I kept on saying, I don't want to bother you, I don't want to annoy you, because I don't know what she was dealing with. Then she told me about some family issues, about some prison something, and then the first time I couldn't get to her, she met in an accident, and the first time I heard that she met in an accident, it just sounded like she was lying. And I was like, this accident is hella timely. But I just kept on thinking, why would she at this point in time not pay me what she owes me? She has always paid. Granted, it has been late, it has never been short, but it has been late. But she just never, she's like, she just never, and I just stopped messaging her, and and I just felt stupid. I do feel stupid because I'm running a business. I don't have time. Come in front of me.
Mom, you look pretty with that makeup on.
Thank you, I love you. Right, so I felt stupid just like believing her, and it's her business, and it's like I have no room for friendship with business. I know it sounds stupid and cliche, but that's just how it is. But in my eyes, she was a loyal customer. She always paid even though it was late. And the first time she didn't pay me when she owed me $600, 607 or something like that, It's exactly 607 because they gave her a discount anyway. And that's close to 75,000 Jamaican dollars. So when she told me about the accident, I just knew something was off. And I was like, no, but why would you say an accident though? So everything kept on happening. Then I was calling her, the phone kept on going to voicemail, and she's like, I'm driving, calling when I finished driving. Apparently it took her 2 to 3 days to stop driving, and I was just so annoyed. And the more I write to her, I just stopped asking her for the money. I stopped, and I was just like, every time I should ask her, I felt very uneasy, like I shouldn't be asking her. Like, girl, trust me. Because maybe it's pride, because I'm like, I know it's a lot of money, but it's not like I'm depending on you for stuff to happen, you know. I mean, obviously when I sell the wigs, I need them in a certain time frame to handle other business, you know, because I share with y'all my customs drama on my Instagram, boo boo, girl. But yeah, so I just stopped asking. As you guys saw, I think it was the 15th of May was the last time I asked her. It's approaching 1 month, and I just stopped asking. And I'm like, yo, Lord, like, whatever you sow is what you reap. And yo, she did me wrong. She did me so wrong, to the point where I'm just like, when I think about it, I'm like, no way. And I mean, it is what it is. And it's like, Lord, let me, and I'm going to be as blunt with you on here rather than on my Instagram, because my Instagram can be deleted in 24 hours, and all y'all on my Instagram ain't watching my Instagram anyway, so I'm safe in that little cocoon, you know. But if suppose like this story time, like whatever, goes viral or whatever, like people, them are getting on my business. But to my subscribers, and I said this on Instagram, but I'm going to say it again. I mean, I said this on Instagram, but I'm going to say it again. For years, whenever I do the wig reviews and stuff, I've always given away hair. To the point, at one point, I only had 1 wig left in my arsenal. At one point, 1 wig. And there were no companies contacting me for reviews. None. And I was like, well, I guess like this is it, you know. And then out of nowhere, I started getting like an influx. Or I think I had written to some other companies. I don't remember how it worked. But they started writing me back. So now my husband, German, was saying, yo, you know, could probably resell the wigs and make a little extra money. I'm like, nobody's going to buy these wigs. I've already worn them. Nobody's going to buy them. So, I mean, I used to give away hair. I used to meet people, used to message me on Instagram like, yo, Lyric, this is happening. You know, can I get one of your wigs? I'm like, yeah, sure, as long as you can meet me, can have this one. I devalued it. So now, as I told you guys, I'm going, and this is what I'm doing, and I hope you guys can understand. But I'm going into a new phase, like we're doing a new business idea where I'll be working with the hair. Me saying everything without saying nothing, but I'll be working with hair, and this way I'm kind of testing what you guys want. You know what I mean? So I know that most of you love curly hair and you love the curly short hair. So I'm like, all right, so when it's time for me to do my thing, I know what I should get mostly, you know what I mean? So even though I'm selling them, it's a business, for me it's also like a test run. So my wigs, no, they used to, the highest one was what I sold to her, and I think it was $300 or something like that. But no, they don't pass $250. Alright guys, so that's, I'm sorry, like I did a lot a while ago. You don't even know, like I was gone for probably half an hour a while ago. But that's just basically it. I've completely let it go, completely let it go. I'm not gonna call her back, I'm not gonna ask her back for nothing. It's just, you guys call it karma, I call it what you sow is what you reap. But you see that karma, she's a so that's my story time and how that happened to me. And yeah, guys, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Again, Longqi, shout outs to you, baby. Shout outs to you. Alright guys, bye. Yes, yeah? You're run gun. But look, I have the camera still.
Why you like a blind mistakes? So why you just hit me?
I'll let me see this on. Forget it.